Welcome to this beginner's tutorial on writing basic letters in Diwani calligraphy. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the tools, techniques, and tips to create stunning Diwani script. If you're new to calligraphy or want to master this unique style, you're in the right place. So, grab your tools and let's get started. To achieve great results, we need a few essential tools: a pencil and ruler to draw guiding lines. These lines are crucial for maintaining the correct proportions of the letters. Calligraphy ink for writing. The ink used in calligraphy is thicker than regular ink, which helps create those elegant, bold strokes. A qalam, or traditional calligraphy pen, which is designed specifically for Arabic scripts. I recommend using glossy paper, as it provides a smoother surface for the ink. However, sketch paper can work if that's what you have on hand. Each tool plays a vital role in the process, so make sure you have everything ready before we begin. Let's start by preparing the ink. I'm using two small containers, one for the ink and one for water. First, pour some calligraphy ink into the container. Then, add a few drops of water to dilute the ink slightly. I'm also adding a small piece of thread into the ink container. This helps mix the ink and maintain the right consistency during use. Stir it gently until it's evenly mixed. Properly diluted ink ensures smooth strokes and prevents the qalam from clogging or skipping. Before writing, we need to set up our paper. Use a ruler and pencil to draw light horizontal guidelines. These lines will serve as a framework for the height and spacing of each letter. For Diwani script, letters often have a flowing, curved style, but they still follow a proportional structure. Guidelines help maintain uniformity across your work, especially when creating complex compositions. Now, let's focus on how to hold the qalam. The qalam should be held at an angle of 80 to 90 degrees to the paper. This allows for controlled movements and ensures the strokes have the desired thickness. For beginners, I recommend practicing holding the qalam and making basic strokes before diving into actual letters. This helps develop the muscle memory needed for smooth and consistent writing. Let's move on to writing some basic letters. Start by dipping the qalam into the prepared ink. Ensure the tip is evenly coated but not overloaded. Begin with slow, deliberate movements. Let the qalam glide naturally across the paper without applying too much pressure. Each stroke should feel fluid, allowing the ink to flow seamlessly. For beginners, focus on forming clean, simple shapes. Diwani script has a distinct curvature, so practice creating smooth, rounded edges. Remember, precision comes with patience and practice. A few additional tips for beginners. Keep a piece of scrap paper nearby to test the ink flow and qalam strokes. Take short breaks if your hand feels tense. Calligraphy requires steady and relaxed movements. Don't rush. Each letter is a work of art, and attention to detail is key. Mistakes are part of the learning process, so don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't perfect. Once you've finished writing, it's essential to clean your qalam. Gently wipe the tip with a tissue to remove any residual ink. This prevents the ink from drying and ensures your qalam stays in excellent condition for future use. Congratulations! You've completed your first steps into the beautiful world of Diwani calligraphy. Remember, practice is the key to mastering this elegant script. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and leave a comment with your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more calligraphy tutorials, tips, and techniques. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.